Did you know that many millionaires share habits that contribute to both their happiness and productivity? One of the most impactful practices they adopt is being selective about the people they surround themselves with. They make a conscious effort to engage with positive, inspiring individuals who uplift them, creating a supportive environment that energizes their mindset and fuels their ambition. Another core habit among millionaires is the practice of gratitude. Each day, they take a few moments to reflect on what they are thankful for. This simple yet powerful act shifts their focus from what's missing to what they already have. As a result, their outlook on life becomes more positive, enhancing their overall well-being and resilience. This perspective shift not only increases happiness, but also helps them remain composed and focused during challenging times. Moreover, millionaires recognize the vital importance of balancing work with leisure. Contrary to the popular belief of relentless grinding, they understand that consistent productivity requires regular intervals of rest and rejuvenation. By pursuing hobbies, traveling, or simply spending quality time with loved ones, they allow themselves to recharge. This balance prevents burnout and often leads to bursts of creativity and renewed motivation when they return to work. A prime example of this balance is how they integrate leisure activities into their schedules. Whether it's a morning yoga session, a weekend getaway, or an evening spent reading a good book, these moments of leisure provide them with a sense of fulfillment that transcends material wealth. It's these small, mindful practices that cumulatively contribute to their sustained success and happiness. Furthermore, the millionaire mindset embraces continuous learning and self-improvement. Many of them are avid readers, constantly seeking new knowledge and perspectives that can propel them further in their personal and professional lives. They invest time in self-education, attending seminars and engaging with mentors, all of which enrich their experience and broaden their horizons. Incorporating these habits can significantly improve anyone's quality of life. By choosing to be around positive influences, practicing gratitude, balancing work with leisure, and committing to continuous learning, we can all boost our happiness and productivity. It's about creating a life that not only achieves success, but also fosters enduring joy and fulfillment. So if you aspire to enhance your well-being and productivity, start incorporating these millionaire habits into your routine. A supportive community, a grateful heart, balanced living, and a passion for learning can pave the way to a happier, more productive life. Remember, the journey to success is as much about the process as it is about the destination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on success and happiness. By staying connected, you'll continue to receive valuable tips and motivation that can help you thrive in both your personal and professional lives.